But today's episode is just really about me blasting the wok casing and gearbox, clutch housing, sorry. I'm going to use this little thing that I bought, might have been wish.com, don't know, I can't remember, but I did a little test area, it was quite good. So yeah, I'm not bothered if I get bits of the engine block, because I am going to strip a lot of this stuff, or all of this stuff off, and repaint the engine in satin black. But I have covered any holes, and I specifically left all these bits on just so anything else is anywhere the solar blast can get in, it's not going to get in. So yeah, all holes are filled. So let's give this a blast. Right, sorry about that, the battery ran out, so I just carried on. I didn't hear the battery sound go off, so I'm all done. I'm just going to show you around it. Yes, I have whacked my head on the hoist frame. It'll be alright. Right, yeah, so that's come up really well, actually. Bit messier than I thought. Managed to get in all the nooks and crannies. A little bit in there. Look at that, lovely jubbly. What I might do, I might still spray that, the flywheel housing and wok, just because it's, you see, it's not a great finish on that. Obviously the gearbox is looking good, and that ain't looking great either, so I may spray them. That'd be black. I'll spray them and then silver, I think. So yeah, a little bit messier than I thought. I have obviously tidied up. It's alright, it'll wash away. Next thing would be, I'll get all these bits stripped off of it now, so I can gunk the block and the head. Take these bits off, respray them or paint them. Same as that. Obviously the radiator will come off. I'm going to send that up to Alex to get that painted. He's really good at them. So yeah, looking good. Very handy tool that.